details are coming through now. Pursuit is over. All units stand down.
Dispatch, I'm moving to stop a speeding vehicle. Showing lights. They're going code 3.
Understood. Advise with additional.
Code 3 on a Lamborghini Gallardo, late model.
Dispatch, I have eyes on suspect. Closing on pursuit.
Dispatch, we're going eastbound.
Code 3 pursuit is heading east.
I'm losing that code 3 suspect, over.
Copy that. We'll send units to establish a perimeter. Over.
I'm engaging the target. Control, Razor's using aggressive force. Requesting support from units nearby. Dispatch, Razor's trying to force my vehicle off the road, over. Dispatch, suspect now causing damage. 1042 to add to the list.
Officers reporting races are showing blatant disregard for public property.
I hit him. Suspect is pulling away.
10-4, stay on the suspect. We'll advise. Over.
Stay alert. Suspects are trying to cripple our vehicles.